Brian Show.
Nice.
Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Nice. Yes, sir.
Yo, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back in to the Big Brian Show.
What's up, peeps? You are now cooking with Big Brian. Yes, sir. Let's get cooking. What's happening, guys? On this rainy Friday, August the 2nd, 2024. Cool this mother off. Not like I care. I like it hot. But anyway, you guys ready to go cook something to eat? I hope you guys are having a good day. It's Friday and it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday for all you working people. This is Bob Evans sausage. So yeah, once again, I'm not a big pork eater, but hey man, I like sausage. I like bacon. You know. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let this cook. I will be back. In the meantime, I'm gonna play a little song for you that my mom used to like. And of course, YouTube is gonna hit me with a copyright strike. But I don't care, because I'm playing by myself. I'm not playing with no music. So anyway, enjoy. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, almost heaven. West Virginia, mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older. Oh, back to cooking. Back to cooking. Better flip these bad boys over. Okay, guys, sausage is done. I'd rather for my pork to be overcooked than undercooked. Don't eat no undercooked pork. Or chicken for that matter. See, it's done. Yes, sir. Now I'm gonna make me some eggs. Okay, guys, maybe some cheese, egg with onion. I hear her voice in the morning now she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Always pray before I eat, but I'm going to do it on camera. Dear Jehovah God, thank you for the food that you provided for me and Zoe today. I want to thank you in the name of your son, Jesus Christ. Amen. Yes, sir. There's my breakfast for lunch, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Scrambled cheese, eggs, toast. I'm gonna put this apple butter jelly on there, and sausage and McDonald's style hash browns. I love these. Delicious. So what's up, guys? What's happening? Once again, like I said, happy Friday. It's Friday. Got to put my hot sauce on there. This is Louisiana brand. I like all hot sauce. Texas P, Louisiana. What's the other one? The one that's got the...
I like them all. So yeah, guys, what's going on today? I figured I'd make a kind of long video, talk about some things. That's all. Hey, baby girl. First thing I want to talk about is, oh yeah. Anybody know what this is? It's an avocado. Here's the other one. I peeled it, and I tell you, basically you just want to take it and you can eat this all kind of ways. You can eat it like this. Some people say spread it on toast. And but you definitely want to cut the skin off. I wanted to show you guys the seed. There's a seed that's in the avocado. See how big it is? Okay? There's the seed. So somebody put that new Bad Boys movie up, Bad Boys 4, and appreciate you putting it up, guys. I was gonna rent it, but I gotta say, right, to me, it had a lot of action, but that movie was long and it was boring. So I'm glad I ain't go to the movie theater. I'd have fell asleep on it. For real, for real. Just too long and too much defying the laws of gravity, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so on that note, I'll give it a thumbs down. I'm not gonna never watch it again. It kind of made me long for the old days when Clint Eastwood was doing them type movies. Them movies are classic. And even Arnold Schwarzenegger. Rambo. But yeah. It's too long, man. That movie is too long. I'm like, oh my God. Come on, let's get to the end. Let's get to the end of this thing. Just getting away with too much stuff. This apple butter is delicious. I don't know if you guys ever had this. Apple butter is delicious. This is Muscle Man's. Haha. I was going to talk about something else too. Oh yeah, it's summertime. Have you ever had a fly come in the house? You're like, how a fly get in here? All my windows closed. Ain't been outside. Well, guess what? They can come in through your air conditioner. They can come in through your air conditioner. Even if you got central. They hang around the fan. You sucked in, blown right in the house. I Googled that. But yeah, guys, have a great day. Oh yeah, I got these too. Look, spiked cherries. I got a few left. Putting that in my Arizona iced tea. I love me some Arizona. The Arizona company. I'm telling you. I love your iced tea. And you guys don't even know me. Ain't paying me. I'm just for real. I love your iced tea. I love the fruit punch, the mango. Sometimes I drink the watermelon. But your iced tea is banging. Thanks for making this. And you had the best deals. Those 99-cent cans don't change, man. And I go to the Dollar Tree and I get the other ones, the one that come in the plastic bottles for like $1.25. I can get like 10 of them things. And you go to a soda machine, they charge you $2.75 for a canned soda about this big. No, a regular canned soda about this big, $2.75. I can get my Arizona iced tea for $1.25. Ah, love it. Yeah, guys. This is my brunch, lunch, and breakfast together. But eating habits. Try to eat like the French. You know, the French people kind of small, right? Because they eat reverse of how Americans eat. They eat huge breakfast, then the lunch, and a small dinner. That's the opposite of how we eat. But what I do is I try not to eat after 8, 9 o'clock at night. Don't eat. You drink water or whatever, or something to drink. But yeah, don't eat late and don't go to sleep after you eat. That'll help you. It's helping me. And it's sad because we live in a country that's got 24-hour fast food service. That's why everybody got big. And everybody working all these late night jobs. So eating habits just went right out the window. Because back in the old days, like 60s and 70s, if you look at any 60s and 70s vintage footage, it wasn't a lot of fat people walking around in the 70s. Everybody was slim, not necessarily in shape, but weren't fat. Everybody was slim. Like, look at the women. White women evolved. Back in the 70s, even early 80s, white women had flat asses. Black women had nice butts. Now look at everybody. White girls got butts bigger than black girls now. I don't know how that happened. The evolution. But yeah, but back in the 60s and 70s and early 80s, everybody was nice size. You had a few people that was fat, but most of them had like eating disorder maybe. Just saying how the times have changed. The evolution. Now women got small waists, big butts, and I think a lot of that's been like, I don't know what you call that. I read where it's like surgery. Suck the fat from your stomach and put it on your butt. I made a video about that way back. This lady did that. She got some and you gotta be careful because it's people. It's people on the street just doing it. No doctors, and they injected all kind of stuff. They injecting like whatever they can find to make your butt big. And a lot of people got messed up over that. I'm gonna try to post that video to this one, but yeah, this lady started losing her limbs. Yeah, because she went to some girl on the street. I think she put like STP or something crazy inside of her. But yeah, anyway. The evolution of women. Is it natural? I don't know. If you're working out and doing squats, yeah, but if you're getting liposuction and then getting it put in your butt, well, butt injections. Anyway, this is something else I'm talking about. Just rambling on, trying to acting like we're at the breakfast table, the lunch table. So, yep, guys. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Big Brian Show. Check out some of my merchandise. I got some nice little coffee cups. If you're interested on something new, you know, check it out. Yes, sir. Don't forget your avocado. Supposed to be good for you. I'm gone. Peace out.